Welcome to 2025. Whether you're looking to save for a big goal, get out of debt, or simply take control of your finances, budgeting is your best friend. In today's video, we'll break down the easiest and most effective way to budget your income this year. Budgeting isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about knowing where your money is going and ensuring it's working for you. Think of it as your personal financial GPS. It helps you reach your goals faster. And yes, the World Bank say money grows on trees, and GPS meters are causing physical pain for many of us. The first step is knowing exactly how much you earn and spend. Start by listing all your income sources, your salary, side hustles, or investments. Next, track your monthly expenses, rent, groceries, subscriptions, and so on. A popular budgeting strategy is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs like housing and utilities, use 30% for wants like dining out or entertainment, and the remaining 20% save or invest it for the future. Make saving effortless by automating it. Set up a direct deposit to a separate savings account every payday. Out of sight, out of mind, and your savings will grow without extra effort. Review your budget at least once a month. If something isn't working, adjust. Maybe you're spending too much on coffee or not saving enough for your vacation. Budgets are flexible tools, not strict rules. Avoid common pitfalls like underestimating expenses or failing to include fun money. A good budget balances responsibility with enjoyment. Budgeting in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you can create a plan that's simple, sustainable, and tailored to your goals. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more finance tips.